Hey guys, this is how to get free 1 terabyte cloud storage with Terabox. So first thing that you will do is open up your Google Play Store, and from here at the top, just simply go ahead and search for Terabox. And guys, just download their application, and once you are done downloading it, just simply open it up. And now from here, as you can see, you will have continue with Google, continue with Facebook, and you will see an arrow pointing downward down below. So tap on it. And from here, just simply tap on the mail icon. And after that, guys, just simply provide your email over here so you can sign up with your email. So I'm just going to provide my email. And after that, just tap on continue. And from here, guys, a 4-digit code will be sent to you. So just simply go ahead and go to your email. So I'm going to go for my Gmail over here. As you can see, we have our email here at the very top. So tap on it. And the code will be 3321. So let's go back to the application and just simply provide 3321. And after that, you can set your password. So I'm just gonna set a password. And now just tap on a registration. And from here, guys, just simply tap on a completed and tap on got it. And from here, tap on allow. And just tap on skip. And from here, guys, automatically, when you create an account, you will get a free 1 terabyte cloud storage. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.